Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Okay, guys, no, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. Now, we are officially 6,577 subscribers. And believe me, I'm very grateful that you will be a part of this growing family. Thank you so much. And to all of our subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you all. Okay, so ang pag-usapan po natin kasi yesterday po no, meron pong batas na pinasa na pinirmahan ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos no. Ito po yung RA 11982 no. Yung RA 11982 ay parang ano po siya, not parang, pero this is an expanded centenarian law. Meron po tayong batas here in the Philippines na meron po tayong centenarian law, no? So, yung ano po yung centenarian law, once you reach 100 years old, okay, you will be receiving 100,000 pesos from the government. Okay? Dito sa Pilipinas at sa yung nakatira sa ibang bansa. Okay? Now itong RA 11982 ay isang expanded law, no? Dun sa ating centenarian law. No? Ano naman itong batas na ito? Okay? Itong batas na ito ay ano siya no? Once you reach 80 years old, okay? Syempre no, ang hirap ng itong ano na to, parang ano to, parang journey mo to no, parang road to 100 years old kumbaga, no? Syempre, once you are having that journey, you need funds, okay? So yung funds na yon, once you reach 80 years old, okay, you will be receiving you will be receiving 10,000 pesos from the government. Okay? So yan apply na tayo sa ating mga barangay. Okay? At saka dapat i-ready natin yung mga birth certificates natin. Okay? Siyempre, patunay na talagang 80 years old ka. Okay? Now, ito naman, once you reach 90 years old, okay? Once you reach 90 years old, yan, road to 100 years old to ha. Once you reach 90 years old, you will be receiving 20,000 pesos from the government. Yan po yun, ha? Okay. Tapos po, siyempre, ito na po yung celebration natin. Okay? Ang celebration po natin, once you reach 100 years old, the same thing with the centenarian law, you will be receiving 100,000 pesos from the government. So, overall, okay, overall, ano siya, no? Parang naka 130 years old ka, 130,000 pesos from 80 years old to 100 years old. Okay? Yan. Kaya lang, syempre, um, I do not know kung ano, no? Pero yung iba malalakas pa no? Malalakas pa yung pag no? 70 years old, 76, 80, 80 years old, etc. Okay? Something like that. Okay? Ayun, no? May mga bagay talaga na ano talaga, no? Talagang hindi natin akalain na mararating natin, no? Yung mga ganong edad, no? Siyempre, dasal-dasal lang tayo once we reach that particular once we reach that particular age, no? Wow, grabe, no? Talagang the best tayo. Okay, sige. Guys, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating channel, please do it so now. Para naman we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel so that we can be able to help other people as well in the future. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you all. At saka yun, mabuhay ang ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dahil pinirmahan na niya itong batas na ito. Maraming salamat, Pangulo.